With you, the sun is shining 24/7. 'Cause when we're together, it feels like we're in heaven. If it will get dark, you'll be my million stars. I know I can lean on you. Ooh, you catch me like a leaf falling from a tree. If I'll be a shooting star, you make a wish. No, I don't fake this kind of feeling, never felt so real. My heart is on the table 'cause you're my everything. I do, I wanna marry you. 'Cause when you're around, I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day we spend apart, I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight just like you do. Feels so good, so good.
Spent the whole day in my head. Do a little spring cleaning. I'm always too busy dreaming. Well,
we're about to do our case presentation now for our management class. So hopefully it goes well.
I forget. Why can't it just be easy? Why does everybody need me to stay? Oh, I hate the feeling when you're high but you're underneath the ceiling. Got the cards in my hand, I hate dealing. Yeah, get everything I need and I'm gone, but it ain't stealing. Can I get a break? I wish that I could just get out my goddamn way.
We're done with the case now. How did it go?
It went really well. We got really good participation. We summarised it well. All the groups were really interactive, which was really good. And then we presented the discussion questions with some good answers that even we didn't think of. So yeah, really well.
Nice.
Yeah.
Cool.
Half the time I don't even know what I'm saying it about. Good news, good news, good news, that's all they wanna hear. No, they don't like it when I'm down, but when I'm flying, oh, it make them so uncomfortable, so different. What's the difference? When it ain't that bad, it could always be worse. I'm running out of gas.
So here we have some students in their natural habitat trying hard to not pull their hair out. What are we doing now, guys?
Trying not to pull our hair out. We are waiting for robots to maybe learn something, but we don't know if they're failing to learn or if they're taking a long time to learn, much like business school students. Learnings from our robots left, which will require a reversed version of exactly the same move we did before. Because from the robot's perspective, it's turned to the left, it's driven forward, and then it needs to turn to the right, which is
capturing the switchbacks in the line, switching back to Central Standard Time. Each day, slightly more resigned, try to make some sense of life. So if we take off, it's looking dark in your narrative arc. I'm here and you can't talk with me. A hackneyed fool under fascist rule, wasting days singing about his dreams, all of which has led me to believe there's a set and life's the movie screen, and every dream that you have in between, they'll fade with every.
Strawberry Island, saffron hair. I'm scared of the things that aren't even there. Bug in a jam jar.
Cool. So hi everybody, my name is Magdalene. I'm a final year student studying computer science and entrepreneurship. I did audacious back in 2019, so semester 1, 2019. Outside of uni, I also have a YouTube channel where I create content on tech, self-improvement, productivity, and I also have a podcast called Spark and Sparks where I chat with inspirational people doing cool stuff in STEM, entrepreneurship, the arts, and advocacy. And as for some of my previous experiences, I was the 2019 winner of Red Bull Basement University. So if you guys don't know what Red Bull Basement University is, Red Bull's flagship tech and entrepreneurship competition. So I won that competition with my idea called Tech, which is essentially a sharing platform for students. So that's pretty about me.
All you put me through. Why do I need you? Second